This illustration deals with the general lighting loads by non-dwelling unit occupancies in accordance with Table 220.12. The purpose of change, a revision, was made to this table based upon the minimum revisions since 1970s. These revisions have consisted of reducing the lighting loads in a few occupancies based upon the technology enhancements over a period of time. However, a comprehensive set of data has been historically been made available to support this revision in this table. The energy code adopted across the country have also operated and created further discussion around the appropriate values in Table 220.12. However, some states adopt and enforce energy codes that were adopted over a decade ago, and designers have to make sure that the energy code is used and allowed to be used or not. The development of the lighting power densities in the energy code have been established really through studies of various occupancies, and you can find this information in the ASHRAE 90.1 Energy Code Standard, which provides the foundation for this revision in the values changed in Table 220.12. Now notice this is an office building when you review the information to the left of the occupancy. It's a 15,000 square foot of halls and various things. It's 277 volt and it's 3-phase. Now, notice that we review our Table 220.12 and Table 220.42 for new VA square foot values to see what can be used and if we can apply demand to the lighting load or not. Now, the informational note says, well, for stores, offices, and things like that, we would refer to retail facilities. And so the Table 220.12 then for an office, if we had 15,000 square foot, notice that's been reduced from 3.5 VA to 1.3 VA. So again, we come up with 19,500 VA. The solution, the total load is 19,500 VA. And if inspectors don't require the 125% added on, then notice we're done because the table contains the 125% already. So that's very important. And then, of course, again, I'd like to remind you to look at your Table 220.12, then go to Table 220.42 and see if you can reduce that lighting load in VA by a percentage that is listed in your Table 220.42. And that's basically what took place. You really want to look at your type of occupancy and then review and see just exactly how your Table 220.12 would address it.